dog laying on the ground. She's so fat. Dog. Oh, hello, dog. Dog. You have a fat butt. Dog.
It's not a butt, it's a belly.
Still, she does have a fat butt.
She does.
Your belly's fat. Don't
Do you
beat
have
them.
babies?
Is my dog pregnant? Ow.
What's that blue spot for?
Marker, maybe?
Like that blue hole.
Mark.
There's a hole right here.
That's just her. Not something that's just true. But the blueness might be marker. Nothing. She has more blueness. Hey, calm down, baby butt. Right there.
Yeah, I know, right there.
My butt is cold. Is my dog pregnant? Comment down below if you think my dog is pregnant or if you think she's not pregnant. Don't forget, comment down below. The golden eagle out. Bye, y'all.